Hello students, welcome to chapter 10 straight lines. Students, today I continue our chapter 10 in the new points, distance of a point from a line. In last part we studied total 6 parts of variation of a straight line ax plus by plus c. But today I going distance of a point from a line, and second point, a distance between two parallel lines. Yes. So here consider our one of the points A, just like x1 y1, any point outside the line, and this is the line, you have to perpendicular from it. Consider M point, where M is a foot of perpendicular and line is a ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So students, I just write down our perpendicular distance AM, very easy, ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. That is a standard formula to between points ax1 y1 to any line to it perpendicular. And second point, I going ahead, distance between two parallel lines, distance between two L1 parallel to L2 lines, means two lines are parallel. When they parallel, yes, if slopes are same, so you just consider that is your two lines in your coordinate plane, just like L1 and second of the L2, but both of the each other parallel, here L1 and here L2, and that between distance I just create. So L1 line you have to here written ax plus by plus c, second L2 also ax plus by plus c. I written both same because a and b are slope same. Here just write down c1, here c2. A and b same, that's why this both slope same, so they are parallel, and formula is a perpendicular distance between that a to m. Yes students, am distance which is perpendicular c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. That's the property, and these two property related we going ahead today our new questions. So students, I continue our example number 18. Yes, example 18, find the distance from a point to the given line. Find the distance of the point 3 comma minus 5 from the line. The line have 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. Very easy. This is the first case, and that case I utilization students here very simple and easy. Here consider your point A, x1 y1, they have to 3 comma minus 5, and here you going to your line the perpendicular. So my line is a 3x minus 4y minus 26. Very easy, this property I apply. Therefore perpendicular distance AM, just here consider AM, is a modulus 3x1 minus 4y1 minus 26 by a square b square. What is your A? A is a 3, B is a minus 4. Yes, so you just calculate x1 y1, students actually putting down here, that's your x1 3, y1 is minus 5, so here 3 minus 5, and that should be 9 and 16, 25, it is 5, and here total square root 3 3 is a 9, 4 5 is a 20 minus 26 by 5. Now total how much? 20 plus 9, 29, 29 minus 26, 3, it is 3 by 5. That's the unit, centimeter rather than meter. That are the perpendicular distance. Now continue example 19. Also same as we going ahead in the 19 examples. Our question is there, simple way, find the distance between two parallel lines. Find distance between two lines L1 and L2. My L1 line is a 3x minus 4y plus 7, and second 3x minus 4y plus 5. Very easy. I operate, my formula is this, c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. But first check, line is really parallel. Define slopes. Here slope you can easily cover m1 minus a by b, it means 3 by 4. And here student slope, if you cover them minus a by b, check, it is 3 by 4. Both same. So you can cover m1 is equal to m2. So L1 parallel L2. Now this formula I operate. C1 minus C2. Students, I taking C1 is 7, C2 is 5. Either C1 5, C2 7. And A and B 3 and minus 4. So perpendicular distance between L1 and L2, C1 minus C2 by under root a square plus b square. What's the C1? 7, C2 5, and a square b square 3 square minus 4 square. Now very easily you can calculate your further answers. So it is 2 by 9 and 16 quantify that much 5. So your data is only 2 by 5. Now students, I going ahead. After example 19 our exercise continue. Yes, now I moving little easy our exercise questions. Exercise 10.3. Question is, reduce forming equation into slopes, intercept form and their slopes and y-intercepts. Exercise 10.3. Question is very simple given. Reduce the given equations into slope, intercept form. You know students, slope intercept form means y is equal to mx plus c. Yes, slope intercept form. And find their slopes and the y-intercept. That's your questions. My first question is x plus 7y is equal to 0. Students, I first of all recommend for you, what is the slope intercepted form? It is y is equal to mx plus c. That is your slope intercept form. M is a slope and c is a y-intercept. So can we write down here also 7y is equal to minus x, y is equal to minus 1 by 7x plus 0. Finished. It is y is equal to mx plus c form. And what is the form is? It is slope intercept form. Now first target achieved. Now what is the slope? Slope m is a minus 1 by 7. According to that and this you compare. And next asking, find their y-intercept. It is C, 0. Here students, first question happily and easily done. Now I moving same is. There are three questions students given in your textbook. So one by one I explain. Now second question, first second, 6x plus 3y minus 5. 6x plus 3y minus 5. Anyhow, you can cover y is equal to mx plus c, students. So here 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. So can I write down divided by 3 each term? Because I want to this. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3, and that is your what? It's y is equal to mx plus c form. Yes, y is equal to mx plus c form, and it is which form? It is slope intercept form. Now after that you can create your answer. Therefore slope m minus 2 and y-intercept, that is c value. And how much it is? 5 by 3. That's your simple way. Question number second done. Now I'm moving ahead. Question number third. Same question asking. Third is y is equal to 0. So can we write down here y is equal to 0x plus 0? Done. Actually my creation value, it is y is equal to its which form? It's y is equal to mx plus c. It is slope intercept form, and you just create slope n over value c. So first answer, slope m is equal to 0 and y-intercept c is equal to 0. And here students, your first question is happily done. Now I'm moving ahead. Question number second. Yes, second question also according to questions are same, only the asking in the different way. Reduce the given equation into form of, yes, reduce the given equation form of into intercepted line, and using that and find their intercept on the axis. Here also students, there are three question asking. Our intercepted line, you know, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. And my first question is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Very easy and simple students, I explain here in the way of intercepted line. So one by one I explaining that. First of all, I clear what is the intercepted line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So can we write down here 3x plus 2y is equal to 12? Yes. Now divide the 12 each one. So here x by 4, y by 6, 1, and you compare it. In this form is same or done. Yes, it is intercepted line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form. Now I want to x intercept, which is small a, 4. You just compare here, but necessary is equal to 1 you create. Now second, y intercept, small b, 6. Done, finished. Now second I have 4x minus 3y is equal to 6, and third 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Same as I explained about that, both numericals. Here also students, can we divide by to each term? 6, 6, 6. Because I want to in this equation is equal to 1. So here students, 2x by 3, y by 2, 1. Also we can write down x, y and 1. Here we can say 3 by 2, here minus 2, and that's your forming done. It is intercepted line. Yes, it is our intercepted line. And which forming it is? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now I going ahead, x intercept small a, continue, y intercept small b, which is -2. Here x intercepts, that is y intercepts. Now finished. Now third one, 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Here also students we can write down 3y is equal to -2, and here write down 0x, because I want to x axis also, y axis also. Now divide by each term. How much? -2, -2, -2. Definitely. So you can cover here x upon -2 by 0, y upon -2 by 3, and that is the one. -2 by 2 cancel. And check, that's your intercepted line. Yes, it is intercepted line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Compare. So your x intercept, students, small a is done. What is small a? -2 by 0, and which is not exist. Continue. Y intercept, it is small b, which is -2 by 3. Yes, that is a, that is b, and b is -2 third. Here students, easily and happily our this question number second is also done. Now I going slowly question number third. Reduce form in the equation of, in the slope intercepted, our the intercepted lines in converting to only normal form. So question number 3, first of all I properly write down, reduce the following given equations into normal form, and also find question number 3 here, their perpendicular distance find their perpendicular distances from the origin and angle between, given that perpendicular and their positive axis. Positive x-axis. This question is a IMP question, students, exam oriented. So first of all, before starting, you tick mark in IMP list. And my question is first, x minus root 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Very easy. One by one I going ahead, students. First of all, I define our P. P means what? Perpendicular distance from origin. Yes. So this given line I just compare with standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the a? 1. B minus root 3. C 8. So perpendicular distance done. What is the perpendicular distance? P, distance from origin. Perpendicular distance from origin, which is small p, modulus c by under root a square plus b square. And c apply. You know that 8. And a square b square also known. 1 square minus root 3 square. So 8 by 1 plus 3. 4. It means 2. That become total 3 plus 1 4, square root 2, total 4. P done. Now I moving ahead, find out to your total equation of normal types. It means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So given line, what's your given line, students? X minus Root 3y is equal to minus 8. 8 I convert right side. And anyhow I want to 4. So can I write down dividing how much? Preparing here 4. So dividing minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So here minus half x plus root 3 by 2y, that become 4, 8 by 2. Now what is the equation of our normal form? So here we just write down normal form, that is students known x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. P known for, because already I check. So we can write down cos alpha minus half less than 0, sin alpha root 3 by 2 more than 0, and both of you attach on the axis. Holisticity wise, sin positive, cos negative, you are here students negative positive. Your quadrant is this one. Your degree is 90 plus. So we can tan alpha sin by cos exactly root 3 by 2 upon minus half. Students, second quadrant must be 180 minus either 90 plus. So I just write down here 180 degree minus, when the root 3? Root 3 is a 60 degree. Yes, tan 31 by root 3. Tan 60 is a root 3. It is your 150 degree. That's your alpha cover 150 degree. It means this angle also ready. Now I want to last. Yes, therefore normal form. You know that form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X cos alpha is a 150 degree, y sin alpha is a 150 degree, and p is what? Our p is a 4. That's your students final answer. I think my mistakes, 180 minus 60, yeah, 120. Students, my mistakes, sorry, 120, 120. By mistake I written 180 minus 60, it is a 120, and 120 degree is your x cos 120 plus y sin 120 is equal to 4. Here students, our first question happily done. Now I going my second questions. Second also same parallel asking y minus 2 is equal to 0. So can I write first 0x plus 1y minus 2 is equal to 0, and it's compare ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You can create a, b, c. So what is your a? 0. b1, c minus 2. First of all I calculate distance from origin. Yes, perpendicular distance from origin is modulus c by under root. You know that a square plus b square. Attach all a, b, c value. C value I have minus 2, and a square b square, 0 square plus 1 square, it is 2. So my line is students, this line already you know that 0x plus 1y is equal to 2. No more calculate, because p and 2 same. Here not same, here 4. That's why I taking here dividing by minus 2 and create 4. So I just here compare with normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Students, cos alpha is 0, sin alpha is 1, and where they belong? Yes, exactly here, because cos 0 sin 1, it is 90 degree. Pi by 2, the not in quadrant, it is on the positive y axis. Degree known, so alpha is what? Pi by 2, 90 degree. And normal form also ready. X cos alpha 90 degree plus y sin 90 degree is equal to p. And how much p your? P is your 2. Either students you calculate here trigonometric wise value. Cos 90 0, sin 91 put it here. you get your question is again. Now I'm moving ahead, same as third questions. Heading is same. Define up to your equation in the which forming? Normal forming. Yes, third, same parallel I moving ahead, x minus y. Line is given, x minus y is equal to 4. First of all, I compare with define ABC. Yes, line x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. We compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And what's your ABC? 1 minus 1 minus 4. And first my target ABC done. So I go to perpendicular distance from origin is modulus c by under root a square plus b square. Apply your value. What is your c? Minus 4 by upon under root 1 plus minus 1 square. It is 4 by root 2. If you further calculate 2 into root 2 root 2, it is 2 root 2. That's your p. Now I converting into normal forming. So students, we going ahead, given line. My line is x minus y is equal to 4. What to do for getting 4 by root 2? Yes, dividing by each term root 2, root 2, root 2. And that's your create 4 by root 2. It is a 4p. Yes. So we compare with normal form. And what's your students' normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and you can say easily cos and sin alpha value in simple way, students. So your value is attached. So cos alpha is and sin alpha is both ready. Just you compare it. Cos alpha is 1 by root 2. Sin alpha is minus 1 by root 2. And you can check positive and negative. It means you are students here. Where? Cos positive, sin negative. Positive, negative is in fourth quadrant. And fourth quadrant means your degree is this up to that. That's your line. Here you make the degree. It means 360 minus either 270 plus. Here 270 degree, here 360 degree after rotate in the one rotations. So students, here tan alpha sin by cos we can cover minus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 minus 1. So my answer is 360 minus when is 145 degree 315. Either you can write down 270 plus 45. Yes, that also cover 315. Students, here alpha is 315 done. 315 and 45 is a 360. And last, therefore required normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Alpha is a 315, sin also 315, and what is the p? P is your 4 by root 2, either 2 root 2. As you like, you can write down that. And here students is also happily and easily done. Now I continue. Question number 4. It's very easy questions. But students, I one more time repeat my line. These are 3 questions are very most IMP for normal form derive. Now question 4. 4 also very interesting. Find the distance of the point minus 1 to 1 from the line 12 with the x plus 6, 5 with the y minus 2. 12 with x plus 6 is equal to 5 with the y minus 2. Students, here one point given and one line given. But line I first convert in the standard form. Ax plus dy plus c is equal to 0. And I want to perpendicular distance. So 12x plus 6 line L, 5 with y minus 2. You create only simplifications. 12x plus 12 6 are 72. Here 5y minus 10. So 12x minus 5y plus 82. Here students, we can cover our line 12x minus 5y plus 82. And now today I explain you perpendicular distance from one line to one point on perpendicular net. So perpendicular distance, AM distance 12x1, 5y1, 82 by under root a square plus b square. What is your a? 12. B minus 5. So 12 x1 known, y1 known, and it gets 144 plus 25. Students, what is your x1, y1? Minus 1 and 1. Here minus 1, here 1. Means minus 12 and minus 5, minus 17 plus 82 by 169 square root. It is 65 by 13, 5 units. And this distance is students cover. So here question number 4. Our 85 minus 17, it is total you getting 12 and 1. Yes, total 65 by 13 square root of that. And this my answer students, 5 units. Yes students, here our this part is done here students. And further explanations for related our next question 5th, I explain you in the next part. Bye bye.